I'm gonna teach this real quick, so stay with me on this, all right? A lot of you guys may struggle. Raise your hand, all right, if you feel uncomfortable breaking somebody down one-on-one in a game, not in practice, all right, in a game. Okay, raise your hand, be honest, because I know I was that guy. So I had to be creative, okay? One thing that working with Dwayne Wade on too, and a lot of my guys, Juwan Evans and Trey Young, some of these other guys, it's all about pace, okay? You have to master the art of two speeds, right? What are they? Slow and fast. It's pretty simple, right? So just like in NBA 2K, okay, a lot of you guys that don't cheat and you actually play with fatigue on, all right, you ain't gonna just hold down that turbo button the whole time, right? You gotta let go of the gas sometimes. It's the same thing when we're in a half-court situation, okay? So play defense. You're gonna get with a partner, okay? What I always tell guys, you usually have about 3 feet of space to work with, okay? In that 3 feet of space, remember, we got help side, all right? Let's say if I'm at the top of the key isolating. I got help on the weak side, help on this side, same thing. So we talk about a 3-foot box. This is all real estate, okay? My biggest thing with this pace, I just want a nice lateral glide, okay? So I'm moving east to west to set up my defender, okay? I want to shift this defender outside of this box. Does that make sense? So let's say I catch, I pop up, right? Stay where you at, okay? Right now, where's the open gap? Right here, right? So as soon as I catch, I got to square up, look at the basket to increase my vision, all right? I want to catch, I see right, I see to my left. I see the open gaps. You follow? Okay, so now it's important. It's really simple. I need to shift my defender where to attack the open gap? Left, right? He can't see. He can see the gaps, right? But they're engaged on both ball man. My primary defender he has no idea which way I'm about to go. Okay, so it's simple. I set him up out this box, and as soon as my feet plant, that's when I shift gears. So I go slow to fast, right? So it's slow, boom, fast. Now right here. Now, once I start attacking, what are you anticipating? Help side. What else am I anticipating this defender to do? Sprint and cut me off, right? So now I'm just playing chess while he's playing checkers. All right? I'm automatically knowing that I got to get into my counter move. All right? So if I go east to west, boom, I'm here. I see him cut me off. Boom, I'm going right here, and then I can get into my shot or I can kick out. Does that make sense? Okay. It's a pretty simple method. The other thing, when you guys learn how to attack spots and attack these gaps, when I get an angle on this defender by setting him up, I'm always creating an angle by shifting him east to west. When I change my speed and I attack this open spot, it's a simple read, okay? If I get there before help side gets there, what do? Shoot, right? If he gets there and he stunts before I get here, boom, it's a penetrate kick. Now we right back into that precision passing. You understand? Okay? So that's kind of the whole method of when you're breaking down a guy off the dribble, okay? We have to have a general idea of which direction we want to set up, which way we want to attack, and then also anticipating the help side, all right? Or in this case, also the on-ball defender. Okay, everybody got that part? All right, great. So now, on this drill, all we're going to do, all right, you guys are good, all right? We're just going to go 3 times east to west, all right? So I want you to shift them. So these guidelines, when I'm going east to west, exaggerate it. So my right foot should align with his right foot. That's going to create an angle for me to attack, all right? So we'll just go 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, pop, 3, and then I could stunt. I could go out of this position, attack downhill, or I could automatically hit him with my counter, okay? So when I extend out, boom, I could go here. As soon as he cuts me off, I'm right back here, all right? And then now it's his turn. Now he's going at me. So go 1, 2, 3. Ready? Go. 1, good, 2, 3, good. Pace, good. Change, right there. Boom, that's all right. All right, so your feet do not stop. You understand? We work on anticipation. So on your counter moves, it's a simple wrap, all right? Or it's really maybe even a spin move. Those are the only 2 I like to teach when you're going downhill, okay? We're not gonna have the luxury of attacking here, stopping our base or our foot speed, all right, pulling the ball back and then trying to go, okay? We're just trying to get to that second line of defense, all right? So attack, anticipate the defender cutting you off. Let's get a simple wrap behind the back or a spin move.